Hi, this is Ajanta ma'am, and this video is about the poem Caged Bird. Nitya wanted me to revise this poem, therefore I am revising. Now, firstly, what does the poem talk about? The poem talks about a free bird flying on the wind as if floating downstream until the wind current shifts and the bird dips its wings in the orange sunlight and he dares to call the sky his own. But a bird that moves angrily and silently in a small cage can barely see through either the cage bars or his own anger. This caged bird's wings are cut, so he cannot fly, and his feet are tied together, so he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird sings fearfully of things he does not know, but still wants, and his song can be heard as far away as distant hills, because the caged bird sings about freedom. The free bird thinks about another breeze and about the global winds that blow from the east to the west and make the trees sound as if they are sighing. And he thinks of the fat worms waiting to be eaten on the lawn in the early morning light. And he says he owns the sky. But a caged bird stands on the grave of his own dead dreams, and in his dreams he self-screams from nightmares that are haunting him. Because his wings are trimmed and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing a song, and his voice is carried over the distant hills. The caged bird sings fearfully, and he hopes that his song will be carried to the distant hills, will be heard far away, because he sings of freedom. So the poem describes a caged bird, a bird that is trapped in a very narrow cage with limited mobility, only able to sing about freedom it has never seen, and is hoping to attain. This caged bird, therefore, is a metaphor for the African American community's past and ongoing experiences of the race-based oppression in the United States. In particular, this poem can also be read as portraying the experience of any oppressed group for that matter. The metaphor, therefore, captures the agony, the pain, the cruelty that this community faces, this marginalized community faces. And therefore, the poem describes the bars as the bars of rage. Thank you.